Hello, hello! How are you doing today? Today is an exciting day. We got a package from Senamon. This one is sponsored for sure because they gave this to me. And then we are going to fit it into my Birkin. Let's see how it looks like and then how it is and stuff like that. So this one is an unboxing of the organizer insert for the Birkin 35. Senamon is a really good, I had a collaboration with them already before for the Kipao. I'm going to insert it in the description below. And then this is going to be a quick one. What I'm going to do too is to compare Senamon to Samorga, to 7RP, and then the other ones that we have in the market, so that you will have a intellectual guess of what really is suited for you guys. So this one is color beige, and it's a felt. So I already know how they are because, oh wow, look at how it is inside. Come. Look at that. It's really nice. And then the edges are really soft, so which is really good. And then this is felt. Inside, it is kind of like a stocking type of material that they use. They have a zipper. Come here. They have a zipper compartment on the side. And then they also have 2 pockets in the front and then another pockets on the other side. But it's really nice. Now, here's the test. Is it going to fit the Birkin? So this is kind of like really nice color. Inside right now, I don't have anything but the dust bag. So this one will really going to protect it. So it's a black hole right there. So let's do that. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see this. And then that is, come here. Oh wow, look. It really is nice. I like the height of it because it's up here. So because the tendency of this one, it goes like that. But this one now, it's kind of like making it being sturdy. And then the ones that I was telling Sebastian regarding about this one, it's a slouchy bag. Now it's not anymore, not a lot, because that one gives a stability of the bag. Ta-da! It's really fitting good. So take a picture of that one. That's really nice.
Hold on with you.
And then let's take a picture of it outside.
Compare.
There we go. Sorry.
Hold on with the face.
So this one, thank you Senamon. We're going to compare this one with the other products out there. And then, so you going to have an intellectual guess of what really suited for you. And then this one, I'm going to let you know how much it is on the description below because I don't have those. But look at that. The height of it is really nice because it's really, if you're going to look, come here baby. Check, show it. And then the height of it, it's good, it's perfect because it is up to here that it goes all the way up so that it really supports the height of it. So yeah, so I like.
Let me take a picture inside.
Yeah.
Up.
Yeah, there we go. So that would be all for this part of an unboxing, and then I'm going to make a tables for you guys to really compare all those similar products of organizer inserts, and then we'll show it to you guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&seb channel. We'll see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. We love you all, and that's more of this Birkin bag that we have. Bye.